On Wednesday, September 13, 2023, overall the markets today were mixed. The Dow Jones was down almost 71 points, 0.2%, to finish the day at 34,575.53. The NASDAQ was up almost 40 points, 0.29%, to finish the day at 13,813.59. The S&P 500 was up almost 6 points, 0.12%, to finish the day at 4,467.44. The chip design company, ARM, priced its IPO at $52 per share, valuing the company at $55.5 billion. Expect an upwards bias in the markets the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-on environment the next 24 hours where the Canadian dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the United States dollar will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair the next 24 hours with a strong upward bias will be the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, followed in a close second place with an upward bias the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and in third place with a strong downward bias is the Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.